Adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word that tells us something more about a verb. So you all know verb is an action word or a state. So adverbs tells us more about verb. For example, the alarm rang loudly. Rang is a verb, so loudly is an adverb. It describes about how the alarm rang. It describes the action, that is verb rang. We looked for the dog everywhere. So here everywhere is an adverb. It describes where we looked. Everywhere. So it describes the verb. Adverb is also defined as a word that is used to modify or describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Means it does not describe or add the meaning of a verb, it also describes an adjective or another adverb. Let's see how it describes the verbs. Example: people handle old violence carefully. So how they handle? Carefully. So it describes the verb here. Let's see how it describes an adjective. Very old violins are valuable. So here very is an adverb, old is an adjective. So it describes at which violins? Very old. So it describes here the adjective. So let's see how it describes an adverb. For example, orchestras almost always include violins. So here almost or always, they both are an adverbs. So here almost is describing the another adverb, that is always. Let's read the kinds of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner. Second, adverbs of place. Third, adverbs of time. Fourth, adverbs of degree. Fifth, adverbs of frequency. Sixth, interrogative adverbs. Seventh, relative adverbs. Eighth, sentence adverbs. First, adverbs of manner. It tells us how or in what manner an action is performed, means how the verb or in what manner the verb is performed, like wisely, foolishly, slowly, fast, beautifully, etc. For example, the girl sang sweetly. So here sweetly is an adverb. It describes that in what manner the girl sang. So, adverbs of place. It tells about the place where an action takes place. For example, here, there, up, down, near, far, nowhere, everywhere. So it describes the position or place where that action or verb happened. Like greenery was seen everywhere. So where the greenery is seen? Everywhere. It describes the position or place. Adverb of time. It tells us when an action takes place. Means it tells about the time. Like daily, yesterday, today, tomorrow, early, late, once, twice, etc. For example, children went to bed early. So here early tells us the time that when they went. They went early. Adverb of degree. It tells us how much or to what extent, means degree, an action is performed or done. For example, very, quite, nearly, hardly, to, etc. For example, I am very tired. So, how much we are tired? Very. So it describes an adverb of degree. Adverbs of frequency. It tells us how often an action takes place. Means how many times that action has been taken place. For example, once, twice, rarely, often, seldom, hardly, usually, etc. For example, sometimes he play cricket. So here sometimes is an adverb. It tells us how many times the action has been taken place. So he plays sometimes. Interrogative adverbs. It helps us in asking question. For example, when, where, how, why, how much, etc. For example, where are the books? So here, where is an adverb that is asking about the place of the books. Sentence adverbs. It helps us in adding meaning or more sense to a sentence. Generally, they are used in the beginning of the sentence. For example, luckily, fortunately, evidently, obviously. For example, fortunately, we won the prize. So here, fortunately is in sentence adverb. Relative adverbs. It refers to something existing or happening before, means it relates with the past. For example, why, when, where, etc. We shall meet them when they stop for a while. So here when is a relative adverb. So in this video we have discussed how an adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb, and the kinds of adverbs with their examples.